Nag-aantay lang kami. Bumili kami ng takeaway sa Thai food. So, nag-aantay kami dito sa Thai food ng restaurant. Bumili lang kami ng takeaway. Dadali namin doon sa ano namin, sa room namin. Kasi nagutom ako. And then bukas pupuntahan naman kami.
2 minutes.
Very good. Yeah. We're just waiting for the food. Kasi nagugutom na ako.
Nice couch, eh?
Yeah, whatever.
Hey,
Oh wait, I'll sit down here and I'll win Sulab.
nice big couch in our place is expensive. Don't feel sticky.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So, anyhow, bukas marami na naman kaming gagawin. Bukas camel riding kami. So, camel yan. Thank you for watching, guys.